Hello everyone. I tore out the spokes on the rear wheel of my bicycle. And today I will urgently change the spokes. To remove the rear cassette, I will need this cassette puller. I insert it inside the cassette and tear it off with a gas wrench, turning it counterclockwise. The cassette unscrews easily, then I remove the cassette protection. Now I put the spoke head inside the rim. It is deep, and therefore I will need a screwdriver to screw it onto the spoke. I do this operation for other torn-off spokes. To tighten the spokes, I use a special spoke tensioner. I tighten the spokes so that they do not dangle or wobble. Next, I install the wheel on the orbit of the bicycle. Now, by rotating the wheel, you need to check if there is an 8 or any other irregularities. If we see a tilt of the wheel to the left, you need to tighten the spokes on the right, opposite to the tilt. And vice versa. If the tilt is to the right, I tighten the spokes on the left. As a result, the wheel should rotate smoothly. Now I assemble the wheel, put on the protection. In the reverse order, I tighten the rear cassette with a gas wrench. Next, I need to put the tire on the rim and install the wheel on the bike frame. Thank you for your attention. Put likes, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.